Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to export password in Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Edge browser, and the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to settings right here. Click on settings and it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure you go to passwords. So click on that and it's going to take you to all the password you have in your Edge browser, just like what you see right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on export. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to click on export passwords. And you have the download file folder right here. Next thing you need to do is to take the file to anywhere you like. So I'm going to simply take the file to my download folder. Then I'll make sure I click on save. So after a successful download the file, we can simply exit from the Edge browser. Then I'll head over to my download folder. So I'm going to simply click on the folder right here. Then I will simply go to download. Then we have the Microsoft Edge password file right here in Excel format. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to export password from Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.